KFC, the true success story of Colonel Sanders. Today, millions know the KFC brand, but it all started in the kitchen of an old man. This is the story of a man who went bankrupt at 65. The story of Harland Sanders, the man the world knows as Colonel Sanders. Sanders was born in 1890 in Indiana to a poor family. He lost his father when he was just 6. His mother had to work to feed the family. So little Sanders learned to cook at a very young age. He didn't know it yet, but that skill would one day make him world famous. As a young man, he failed at 7 different jobs. He was a farmer, failed. A streetcar conductor, fired. An insurance salesman, couldn't sell a thing. Nothing worked. But he never gave up. In his 40s, he opened a small gas station in Kentucky. He began cooking chicken for travelers who stopped by for fuel. People started coming just to taste his chicken. His dream came alive again. Maybe this time it would really work. But life had other plans. Years later, a new highway bypassed his restaurant. He lost everything overnight. No money, no business, no hope. He was 65 years old, and all he had was a $105 pension check. But even then, he refused to give up. He simply couldn't stop trying. He packed his car with his fryer, his chicken, and his secret recipe. Then he hit the road. He went door to door, restaurant to restaurant, saying the same thing every time. I can show you how to make the world's best fried chicken. And guess what? He was rejected by 1,009 restaurants. 1,009 no's. But then he tried one more. The 1,010th restaurant said yes, and that's how KFC was born. Soon, hundreds of restaurants started using his recipe. Sanders became a symbol of success. With his white suit, black tie, and smiling face, he turned himself into a brand. In 1964, he sold KFC for $2 million. But what he gained was worth far more than money. He became an inspiration. When Sanders lost everything, he was 65 years old. But at that age, he wrote his name into history. Because success has no age. And for those who never give up, there's always another chance. This story reminds us of one simple truth. It's never too late to chase your dream. You can start again. Maybe your next try is your 1,010th one. Don't give up.